Oh yeah. Orí mi bá mi ṣe, ẹlẹ́dàá mi gbà mí yé. Make I no go astray. Please help me find my way.
Yes, hello? What? Apostle will hear of this. I will tell Apostle about the things where you want to use your life for. I'm going to do many.
Yeah, babe, you're welcome. At your working place with this. Your job for you now and today, suck their pennies for the next 30 days.
What?